Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best stainless steel bartender kit is probably one of the most essential investments a budding mixologist or home cocktail enthusiast can make, offering a durable, hygienic, and professional-grade foundation for crafting exquisite drinks that will impress your guests and elevate your home entertaining game to a whole new level. Number 5. Expert Cocktail Shaker Home Bar Set. Unleash your inner mixologist with this comprehensive bartending kit. It includes everything you need to craft delicious cocktails right at home. Crafted from high-quality, rust-free stainless steel with a brushed finish, this set is built to last. Enjoy a leak-proof and scratch-proof experience for years to come. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set has you covered. It provides all the essential tools to create any drink imaginable. Cleanup is a breeze as all the components are completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. Looking for the perfect gift for the aspiring bartender in your life? This complete bar set is an ideal present for any occasion. This 14-piece set includes shaking tins, a bottle opener, a double jigger, a strainer, shot glasses, a bar spoon, and pour spouts. It even comes with a velvet bag for stylish storage and transport. What we like. This is a comprehensive 14-piece set, perfect for anyone wanting to dive into mixology. It's made from high-quality, rust-free stainless steel, ensuring durability and a great look. If you're looking for a complete package that's also incredibly easy to clean, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The stainless steel construction feels durable and looks sleek on the bar. All the tools included are well made and easy to use, even for a beginner. The shaker has a tight seal, preventing any leaks during use. Number 4. Modern Mixology Cocktail Shaker Set. Elevate your home bar with this all-in-one cocktail shaker set. It includes everything you need to mix and shake your favorite drinks with ease. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this set is built for durability and long-lasting performance. Enjoy countless cocktail-making sessions without worry. Featuring user-friendly tools like a strainer and tongs, this kit makes crafting cocktails simple and efficient. Focus on creating delicious drinks, not on complicated tools. Keep your bar tools neatly organized and stylishly displayed with the included elegant wooden stand. It complements any decor and is perfect for any space. This comprehensive set offers exceptional value, making it a perfect gift for any aspiring or experienced bartender. Make every gathering special with quality drinks. What we like. This set offers a sleek design with its included pine stand, keeping your bar organized and looking good. Its leak-proof shaker ensures no mess during your mixing sessions. If you appreciate both functionality and aesthetic appeal, and want a tidy bar setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The stainless steel construction feels very sturdy and durable, promising long-term use. The variety of tools included covers all the essential needs for home bartending, from shaking to straining. Each tool is well balanced and comfortable to hold, making the mixing process smooth and enjoyable. Number 3. Modern Mixology Pro-Graded Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing a comprehensive 21-piece cocktail kit designed for creating a wide variety of drinks. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and the included recipe book will help you explore mixology like a pro. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant materials, this set includes everything you need, like a 24-ounce shaker and jigger. Each tool is designed to maintain its appearance and functionality, withstanding regular use. Keep all your bar essentials neatly organized and accessible with the included open-view wood stand. Its portable design makes it easy to mix drinks anywhere, perfect for parties and gatherings. This versatile set is suitable for any setting, from your home bar to outdoor picnics. The travel-friendly bag makes it easy to carry, meeting the needs of both casual drinkers and professional mixologists. This complete kit offers tremendous value for creating diverse beverages. It's an ideal gift for home bar enthusiasts or anyone looking to elevate their mixology skills. What we like. This is a pro-grade, 21-piece set designed for serious cocktail enthusiasts. It comes with a convenient open-view wood stand for easy access and organization. If you're looking for a versatile kit that you can take anywhere for parties or events, this set offers outstanding value and portability. What people say. The stainless steel construction feels sturdy and durable, promising long-lasting use. All the tools included are well polished and have a smooth finish, making them comfortable to hold and use. The shaker has a tight-fitting lid that prevents any leaks during vigorous shaking, ensuring a mess-free experience. Number 2. Mixology and Craft All-in-One Cocktail Shaker Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist with this comprehensive 16-piece cocktail set. It includes everything you need to craft your favorite drinks with ease and precision. Crafted from superior stainless steel, this set is designed for durability and frequent use. Enjoy its polished look and lasting strength, making every cocktail creation a breeze. Designed for convenience, each tool allows for smooth pouring and effortless stirring. Accurate measurements ensure your cocktails are perfectly balanced every time. Elevate your home bar, parties, or events with this versatile set. It's ideal for creating a wide range of cocktails, from casual get-togethers to formal celebrations. Presented in a stylish gift-ready tube, this kit is the perfect present for any occasion. It's a thoughtful and impressive gift for weddings, celebrations, or any cocktail lover. What we like. This 16-piece set features a 24-ounce cobbler shaker and is made from professional-grade stainless steel for lasting performance. It comes in a stylish, portable tube, making it an impressive gift. If you need a complete, durable set that's ready to be gifted for any occasion, this is an excellent option. What people say. The stainless steel construction feels durable and has a nice weight to it. All the tools are well polished and have smooth edges, making them comfortable to hold and use. The shaker seals tightly, preventing any leaks during vigorous shaking. Number 1. KINGROW Stainless Steel Boston Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing a comprehensive 23-piece bartender kit designed to meet all your drink mixing needs. This set includes everything from shakers and jiggers to strainers and ice tongs, perfect for home or parties. Crafted from durable, rust-proof 18H stainless steel, each tool is built to last. The shaker boasts a tight, leak-proof seal, ensuring no spills and a comfortable grip for effortless shaking. Achieve perfect cocktail ratios with 2 double-sided jiggers for accurate liquor measurement. Strainers keep unwanted ice and pulp out, while whiskey stones chill your drinks without dilution. Keep your bar counter tidy with a modern acrylic stand that organizes every tool neatly. It's easy to carry and makes a great display piece for any home bar. This set comes with a recipe booklet to guide beginners in crafting classic drinks. It's an ideal gift for cocktail lovers, suitable for any occasion and for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like. This is a massive 23-piece set featuring Boston shakers and made from upgraded 18H stainless steel for superior durability. It includes a stylish acrylic stand and a recipe booklet to guide your creations. If you want an all-in-one solution with precise measurements and a modern display for your home bar, this set is the ultimate choice. What people say. This bartender kit is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The cocktail shaker has a leak-proof design, preventing spills during use. The kit includes a variety of essential bar tools, such as a jigger, strainer, and muddler, making it a comprehensive set for home mixologists. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.